How to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. So let's get started. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Now, all you have to do is find the YouTube video you want to share. Simply browse through the YouTube, or you can also tap on the search address bar and search for the specific video. Now, tap on the video. Once you tap on the video, you will see the share option available there. Tap on the share option available in the bottom of the video. Then there you will get to see WhatsApp option available. Now tap on the WhatsApp app and tap on the open option available there. Now you'll be navigated to the chat section where all of your friends option will be shown on your screen. Now tap on any according to your preferences, or tap on the my status option available on the top and simply tap on send or done option available in the top right corner of your screen. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.